So today look at this girl, doing these silly faces. She doesn't know the camera's recording. We're doing her upper lip today. We're using the sexy smooth wax, purple seduction. And I'm going to show you guys how this thing can snatch the life out of a lip. First and foremost, these strips are going to dry really fast. So as soon as you put them on, they're damn near ready to come off. Look at this little mini carpet here. You see that? Mm-hmm. Niecy Poo working with some craziness. Now, because this is Niecy Poo, I know Wax Lead is going to let me help. I can feel it. I always hang out with her. Let me see. Let me just get... Oh, God damn it. Oh, God, I thought I had it in the bag, guys. Here, you guess not. All right, so we're taking this other strip off. Look at that there. And now we're going to do cleanup strips going in the opposite direction. That's the best way to grab the hairs. Make sure you apply lots of pressure. That way you get as much hairs up as possible, especially in the corner of those lips. Hold the skin taut before you remove it. You can do a little stagger here as you see. Zaga never hurt nobody. Look at that. Look at this. If you look closely, you can see those thick ones. Do you see them? Ha ha ha. Now we're going to go in the opposite direction and do the same exact thing. I think she said something to Wax Lady because Wax Lady tried to go up in her nose. You guys see that? I seen it. This little part here look like it's still wet, but that's okay. You should still be able to take this strip off. Stacka-zaga. Beautiful, guys. Put a little aloe on there to soothe and hydrate the area. Oh, she's so pretty now. Can I touch it? Oh, I guess not.